So the one-on-one mentoring, we utilize the amazing college students that we have around us here today. So each student has a college mentor that works with them on a weekly basis at Thursday nights. The college student has about 45 minutes of one-on-one time with the college mentor. And then we transition into homework help, doing a group activity, and making sure that we always end with an amazing home-cooked meal right here behind me at our big table. So really making sure that we're sitting down, kind of talking about our week and our days and what's happening. So more than anything, the backbone of this program is the college students that we have. So we have these great college students that work with the students every week, and that really is our backbone and what makes this program so unique and so special. When the kids are in the program, we work on a lot of different skills. However, more than anything, I really want them to have some of those great communication skills and get them ready for high school. So making sure that the students are ready to graduate middle school in the 8th grade and go to high school. So we're talking about making individuals that have, like I stated before, the great communication skills, also able to problem solve.